Hey guys, I finally have my first copies of the My Christmas Sweet Love release that Dreamcatcher did. So far, all of the POBs have been through Makestar, so that's where I've ordered from. I have ordered all of them, so this is the only one that shipped by the time that I sent my Korean address package, so that is this one. I can't really tell you which one it was. It was just one of the first ones that they did. So obviously I ordered enough to get all the POBs, and hopefully now that I've ordered like 4 more POB rounds, I can get all these cards. But I'll have to wait and see until we get like the rest of them, obviously, but this is what it looks like. I kinda just feel like this was kind of rushed, but it's whatever. So obviously it comes with the stand. And then we've got some stickers. And then the instructions. And then our photo card. So we've got a gahyun of the one with the QR code on it. We've got Dami and Xian for the other ones. There's only the platform and then 2 sets of photo cards for these. And usually shuffling is not always that great, so we've got Dummy and 2 GUs. So that's nice having GU's cards, because any Dreamcatcher collector knows that she's the hardest. I do usually, like, if I would get all of the cards, I wouldn't open the other ones and sell them like unopened, but sometimes I wonder if I should just open them and sell the cards. Oh look, we've got a whole Yuhyun set there. We've got Handong and Sua and our first dupe. So there would be 21 cards. So technically, if you're really lucky, you could get all of these cards with 7 copies, but obviously not happening here. And we've got Xian, Handong, and Sua's other card. Let's do it this way. We see them all, mostly. But yeah, Gahyun's over here. Okay, Dummy dupe. We got Sua's card, and Dummy's other card. That one's really cute. Got GU. So that one was just dupes, but we do have the whole set of the QR codes. So like, honestly, the pool's not terrible. So we've got all of GU's, all of Sua's. We're missing 1 Xian, 1 Handong, and Gahyun's selfie cards. So 4 cards, honestly. Like, this is great pools for just 7 of these. So I'm sure I'll be able to get the rest of these in the other ones that I have on the way. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later.